Hi guys, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK. I welcome you today in this tutorial of theme demo, how we can import the demo and make our website seem like theme demo. Today's theme is MaxCoach. So let's get started. First we are going to install WordPress. MaxCoach. MaxCoach. Here is our password, email, and press install. So as usual, the installation will take some time. I'll get back to you once it is done. As you can see, the WordPress is installed now. So now we are going to our website, WordPress dashboard. Click on it, appearance. Now we are going to install our theme, MaxCoach. New, upload. Here's our theme, MaxCoach. Install, activate. Now we are going to add child theme, install. It is now installed. Now we are going to install plugins. Click on it, and then bulk. We are going to install all plugins. Apply. So it will take some time. In the meantime, I show you the theme which we are going to use. MaxCoach online courses, personal coaching and education WP theme. So this is the theme we are going to install. It costs $69 and it has got some nice gorgeous demos, 18 plus demos. So we can have a look. RTL demos, health coaching demos, gym coaching, artist, business, yoga, and there are some new demos as well. As you can see, personal finance, dancing and guitar. But we are going to use this demo. So this demo already I've opened here. I'll show you. Will look like something like this. Here you can see the content. So it's a quite nice theme, and you can say it's a nice demo. So we will try to make our website like this. So let's get started and have a look our plugins. They are still taking some time, so I'll get back to you once they are all installed. 19 plugins. Now we are going to activate them. Return to dashboard, or we can go directly by plugin and all installed plugins. I'll show you this, all installed plugins, and now we are going to see they are all activated or not. Yes, all are activated. That's great. So now we are going to import the theme demo. So where you will find the import tab, it is inside core. You will go down there and you will see import. You need to click this and you will come up on this page where you can find a different kind of demos. I mean RTL demos, main demos, and kind of landing pages. So we are going to import this one. As it is saying, please do not navigate anywhere while importing. It may take up to 10 minutes to download resources. So we need to wait until this bar is up to 100. It is fully completed now, but initializing and adding posts and other pages. So we will wait a while. As you can see, the download of the import is completed. Now we are going to see our plugins, and if all plugins are installed, or you need to install any other plugins so you can carry on. Now we are going to the demo site and see how it looked like. Refresh. So that's the great thing, your demo is ready. So this is the way you can create a demo website on your domain and on your hosting. If you find anything difficult or if you're stuck somewhere, you can ask me in comment section. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. I need your support, and I will create more videos that I can support you in every step. So get in touch if you need anything. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.